Hey guys, it's Vivian. So this is my Colorpop first round reviews. I've never done video reviews before, and what I'll be doing right now is the Super Shock Cheek Over the Moon highlighter, which I got it on their Black Friday sale, as well as some other Colorpop products. And I've used the lipsticks in the past, liquid lipstick or whatever, but I usually don't use their face products. And the reason that this highlighter stood out to me was because it has a lot of kind of like purpley pinkish tones, and I really like that. It's more fun, you know. So what I've got here is a Morphe blush brush, and I'm just going to kind of swipe it on. And I've already used this a few times. I really like it. I've worn it to work even. But I'll just go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see that, but I actually put quite a lot on. And I'll just use my flashlight so you can probably see it a little better. But see, it comes out very glittery. I just put it all along like my cheekbone and swooped up. And you can also use it as eyeshadow, which I've tried that a few times and I like the way it looked. It stuck pretty well because it's the Super Shock, which has kind of like a moist consistency to it. But it's kind of just fun, like for the bar or for like a festival or a party or something. I would definitely go ahead and buy another one from the same series. I think they have like a dream series right now or something, and they had a blue one that I was interested in. So we'll see if I end up getting something like that in the future. But like I've been looking at the Kylie highlighters and I can't afford that right now. Especially like $20 for a highlighter. So that's why I decided to get this one, because when it was Black Friday it was like $6. Sorry, the lighting's not better in here, but you get the point. So anyway, yeah, that's how that looks. And this is my first time making any kind of video, especially a video review. I've been wanting to do it for a while and I just keep going back and forth with myself. So if you like it or you have any suggestions or whatever, just let me know in the comments and like and subscribe, and we'll see if I keep doing this or not. Alright, thanks guys.